So, good day po, Sir Melvin. So, this is my capstone project presented by yours truly, Cabalbal Renz. And I'm going to show you how it works. So, it is called an automatic water pump system. So, this system or this project is considered a feedback and control system because it continuously senses the output, compares it to the desired set points or distance threshold, and adjusts the pump's operation accordingly, creating a closed loop system that maintains the water level automatically without human intervention. So we have here a microcontroller, which is Arduino Uno. Then syempre meron tayong supply. Then meron tayong MOSFET, which drives the load, yung pump. Nakatago siya kasi nakatakip yung sensor natin doon, which is yung distance sensor or ultrasonic sensor. So this is how it works. First, the sensor senses the distance. Kung ang nakalagay kasi sa code ko, if the distance is equal to 5 cm, magte-turn on. So mag-send siya ng signal towards the optocoupler. So if the sensor or the ultrasonic sensor senses 30 cm, magi-stop na siyang mag-send ng signal sa optocoupler. So ganoon lang ka-basic. So try natin. So nasa 2 cm gumana na siya. Then kapag nilapit mo, hindi na siya gumagana. Ulit, kapag malayo yung distance niya, let's say for example ito yung tubig, tapos yung sensor nasa taas ng tangke ng tubig. Then kapag lumayo yung distance niya, kagaya na ito, magte-turn on yung pump. Tapos kapag napuno naman yung tubig, tapos lumapit yung distance niya dun sa sensor, magi-stop yung pump. Baliktad pala yung sinabi ko kanina. So kapag mas malayo, magi-start yung pag malayo yung tubig, magi-start. Pag malapit, magi-stop. So if it reaches 30 cm and the sensor senses it, the pump starts. And if it reaches 5 cm, it stops. So ganun lang kasimple yung project ko. So let me explain the circuitry. So first, meron tayong Arduino. Then I have here a buck converter kasi kailangan ko ng dalawang supply, which is 5 volts and 12 volts. 5 volts para sa turning on ng MOSFET and 12 volts naman para dun sa load. Kailangan ko ng 5 volts sa MOSFET kasi yung MOSFET ko is logic level lang siya. Ayun. Then meron tayong 12 volt supply dito, which is ito. And the 12 volt supply is stepped down to 5 volts using this buck converter. And of course, meron tayong isolator or separation between the control and the load circuit, which is yung optocoupler or opto isolator. na nakakonect yung input niya dun sa Arduino, then yung output niya dun sa MOSFET. So that's my capstone project. It's an automatic water pump system.